Hey guys, this is Cole and Garrett from Fair Wheel Bikes, and today we're going to build up an Enve Melee. So for this Melee, we're going to be building it up with the new Sram Red that we have here. This new Sram Red is really cool because it's got great chainring options, but you can take a 1036 cassette. The new shift levers for Sram Red have a little bit better of a button feel, but the most important thing is we've got a really great increased brake feel. The modulation is incredible, plus this nice little button on the inside that you can program to different things for shifting, your computer control, things like that. The new crank arms through Sram Red dropped a ton of weight from the old crank arms. The chainring combination for this bike is going to be 48-35, pair that with the 1033 cassette that they have on here. It's going to be perfect for going up the mountains. We've got some 40C handlebars from Enve, of course. They've got the nice little flare to them that we like to see. This rider is including a 100mm stem with the custom Enve K-Edge mount that can hold lights, GoPros on the bottom, Garmin Wahoo on the top, whichever you do prefer. It's really cool that everything on these builds through Enve is going to have the Enve logo on it, including the Sea Italia saddle. To round it out, we're going to go ahead and use the Enve bar tape. 3mm thick, really good grip. You've got two different options when you wrap this up. Continuing on trend with the Enve bottle cages. These are their carbon fiber. They're really nice. They look really good on the bike. Since it has a little bit more tire clearance, we're gonna go ahead and throw on some 32C Vittoria Corsa Pros. The rider for this bike wants to go fast, so we want a fast tire on this. The Corsa Pros are going to be going on these SES 4.5s that have the new Enve Inner Drive hub on them. We're going to set it up with our favorite brand of sealant. We use Sealant here.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Thanks for joining us for this build.
Like and subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you want to see. We're going to be doing custom builds and a lot more.